Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple headband which will fit a lot of 11-inch to 12-inch dolls, like vintage Pedigree Sindy dolls and dolls of a similar head shape and size. Today I'll be using recycled t-shirt fabric, which I bought at my local Goodwill secondhand store. Cut a piece of jersey fabric that measures about 3/4 of an inch wide by 3.5 inches long. As I said, mine came from the neck of this child's shirt. Now measure your doll ear to ear for elastic and cut the elastic. I used 1/4 inch braided elastic. Fold one end of the jersey fabric in. Lay the elastic over the fold near the center. Stitch the elastic in place with several stitches. It does need to be sturdy. Fold the bottom long edge of the jersey fabric up and fold the other top long edge down. Then fold the jersey fabric strip in half. Whip stitch to seal the raw edges inside. Continue to fold and whip stitch along the length of the jersey fabric. About 3/4 of an inch from the end, open the end up and fold it in as shown here. Wrap the jersey fabric around the unsewn end of the elastic, keeping raw fabric inside. Whip stitch to the end of the jersey fabric. Tie a knot and cut your thread free. Now you're ready to try the headband on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes and accessories to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.